Hi guys, look at us. We're in Portland. Say hi pa.
Hello, hello.
Look where we are and where I am. I'm inside a van. Look, I'm all set here. My drinks, my nuts, and of course, the important is my bed is ready. And Noel is getting ready for his fishing.
Hello, guys.
And look at our spot. The
Oh,
bed.
I just cast one already.
Be careful.
Yeah, I cast one time already, but no biting it.
Please don't turn your back in the ocean. Thank you. That's it. That's where we are. So this is the van, and that's the ocean. So I can just watch him fish. Yeah.
Oh, very windy
It's
here.
very windy, but
I know. Too strong, the strong wind. Very strong wind.
it's our first time here in Portland.
Very strong wind here.
A very nice spot. Look at that. We parked the van, and there's the ocean there.
Very good, but a bit far. But I think this will be alright.
About 4-hour drive. But it's alright. It's worth it, yeah?
I hope if we didn't catch tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. I wish we catch.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Good morning, pa.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, nice morning, huh?
Nice morning. Time check. It's 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning here.
And we had a good sleep. Really, really good sleep.
Yeah, very nice.
And this is me. Good morning, everyone.
Very
I've never had such a good sleep,
fresh.
for months and months. Last night, oh, it's cold, but I had a really nice sleep. Can you believe that? I don't know why. In here in the van, in the Cameron, I sleep so well, very well. But anyhow, there's no look at it.
Oh yeah.
It's only like 17. It's only like not even 17. It's only probably 14 degrees here but today it's gonna be 17
Ooh,
degrees.
very cold here.
But very nice, very nice weather.
Fresh air here in the morning in Portland.
Okay, take the camera.
Very good.
Make sure you don't switch.
Yeah.
Sabi, look, it's recording.
Christina there. Look. We got a neighbor here, Filipino. Two Filipino there, with family and friend. Starting fishing now. It's this is the site of Portland View. It's a Portland View for fishing. See there. Very good place. That side is not allowed fishing there. But here this side is allowed to. And only there. That's Nice place here. At the end, maybe good spot for fishing there, very deep. But we just start here. Maybe tomorrow I'm there in the end. That's very deep there. A nice place. That's my fishing right there. I left this one last night outside. I catch pinkish yesterday. I caught pinkish yesterday. See, this is our car. Yeah. Both side fishing, see? You can fish there, you can fish here, very good, huh? And just park, cast. And here, you are allowed to sleep. Very good. But a little bit far here. It's good. Good for fishing. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. I hope I catch today. Fish and maybe the weather they change because yesterday too windy, and I hope today is a bit better than yesterday. I think I'm gonna start now fishing. Yeah, put some baits now in my fishing.
YouTube. Noel caught a kingfish just now. I was sleeping, he was screaming. Lucky there's a...
Yes. You.
Hey, ilan yan?
60.
Aso, 60 cm ang ano.
Oh, sakto.
60 cm ang legal size.
Lucky. Hey, you're talking, you're not finished the video yet. Are you sure, Pa? It's 60? Pero that's big enough, yeah? First time you catch this one?
Yes.
Masarap kaya gataan yan?
Putulin natin.
Don't flakes it, ano?
Putol. Ha?
Oo, pero sukatin mo muna. Is it 60?
Yes, yes.
Double check, please. Relax lang, double check. From head to tail, from bottom to bottom. End to end, rather.
Yes, 60.
Okay.
Putulin ko na.
Salmon. Oh, big one. Get a net. Oh, there we go. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Look, my friend. It's a big salmon, my friend. I like it.
There's one.
Beautiful. Well done, Mark. Well done. Hi guys. Time check, it's 11:20. What a perfect night for night fish. There's no wind. And there's no wind. It's beautiful. Here, take video outside, please.
Hello. Hello, guys. It's night time in Portland.
Teka, linisin ko yung lens at lumabo.
We're still here.
Medyo malabo kasi gabi.
Yeah.
Anyway, here we go.
Hello, guys. It's night time now here in look. I just show it to you. What's night at Portland. See, we just park here. And I show it to you, Christina. Christina inside, look. Oh, she's drinking, look. What's your drinking? Our whiskey. Our setup like this. That's the toilet. There's a freezer and fridge, and everything's there. We are relaxing here. Very good place here in Portland, because you know you can sleep here and then you can straight casting. Yeah.
Don't focus on
Casting, and I show you
where your rod is.
my rod is there. There one rod there, what a bit dark, and one rod too, and just here in bay side of rock fishing in Portland. Yeah. Nice place here, Mike. On the other side is like a recreation of like what you call it, timber lumber. The still open, look. I think they stop already before 10 o'clock. They stop already working. Yeah. Lumber and timber. And see, this this one is my another rod in this side. Yeah. See, have a look here, sir. Show it to you. Night time in Portland. Today I didn't catch much fish. We catch, but all small, and then put it back. Yeah. It's a very nice place, huh? And this rock fishing is very good. You can have a rest. My car parked there, and sleep straight away and cast. If you want to go fishing, straight cast. Wake up in the morning, have a breakfast. Yeah, beautiful. See, and that's in the front here. That's for entrance there, and this one is very long, very far. This one to go there, the end, and there's the end is a roundabout. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you watch this one. Thank you very much to everyone. I love you all.
Guys, look how beautiful the sun, the sky is. And Noel is there. Come on, baby, come. Hmm?
It's look like gun already. Have a look again.
Diyan lang yan. Keep going. Oh, be careful. Ang ganda. Wala pa din.
Look like it's gun already.
How many you caught? 3.
1, 2, 3, yes.
Good morning, guys. Time check is 6:40 in the morning. And that's my view. My view in the morning. Ang ganda ng panahon. Napakaganda ng panahon. At napakasarap ng tulog niya. Ang sarap ng tulog niya. At
Gising na.
ang lakas niyang mag... Again, that's our view. Time for coffee. Let's get up. How's your sleep?
Very good, very good.
How's your sleep, ma?
Very good sleep.
Yeah?
Nice to sleep here in beach. Ay, in Portland.
No, tabing dagat, no?
In rock fishing.
Ang sarap ng tulog ko din eh. I had a good, really good sleep.
Very good.
Hmm.
Very good, relax.
Pero ang laki pa ng space. Ang laki ng space namin.
Very good, relaxing.
Double bed yung higaan namin. Kaya malaki yan. Tayo na. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Wala pa, bukas pa.
Wala pa, tomorrow pa.
30 pa lang ngayon eh.
Advance.
Ang dami ng bangka. Naglabasan na yung mga bangka. Nag-umpisa na sila mag-fishing. All the boats are out. See? There's one here. Just in front of me. He's fishing in front of us. See? My view in the morning. Oh. Okay, guys. Have a good day to all of you. Kung nasaan po kayong bahagi ng mundo. Good morning. Have a nice day. Bye. Breakfast is finished. The house is clean again. The house. See?
The camper bar is clean again, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Good morning, everyone.
Diba? Magbahay-bahayan kami. Bahay-bahayan.
We cook already. Christina cook already. What did you cook? Have a look.
No.
Oh, yeah. Sausage and fishball.
Para di ka magutom.
Happy New Year. Very close now. We got a fireworks here. Beautiful. We are closing the fireworks. You're gonna see when the New Year come. Our countdown is here, Portland. All right, Happy New Year to everyone. I love you all.
You're on. Be careful. He's on. Fish on. Ayan, malapit lang.
Small one.
No, we have to measure it. Measure it.
Because there's a small hook. Baby.
How many? 20?
28.
Measure first.
It's 28 only. Oh, wow.
Show me.
Short.
How many?
26.
26 only, supposed to be 28. Another one naman. Oh, be careful.
Guys, we are here making a video to my good friend. Yes, here from Melton, and the other guy is Renny is from Kainton.
Somewhere in Bindigo.
This Renny boy and
From Nelson Sur, Bayambang, Pangasinan.
yes, what's your name? Ano mo?
Alvin.
Alvin. Ito po si
John.
Yan, from
From Philippines.
No, anong Davao.
Butuan City.
Butuan City. Say hello family, buddy.
Hi guys, to my family from Butuan City.
Yeah, baby. Yan ang poging kaibigan.
Yo. Welcome to the channel.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm Jun.
Yeah, June
From
from.
Pangasinan din.
Yeah, say hello to family, friend.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Shout out to the vlog. Welcome guys.
Yeah, thank you very much, my friend. At least he gets a big nothing, big one, good one.
Shout out sa mga kainuman ko dyan.
Yeah.
Shout out, see you.
And Merry Christmas to everyone.
Happy holiday.
Yeah.
Happy holiday.
Well, ready oh. Merry Christmas to everyone. Ready oh. So all together like this.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to
Apate.
Yeah, baby. Alright, guys. Later we're gonna catch big one.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, guys. Yes, beautiful. All right, baby. I know. At least, oh yes. See?
Nice.
Yeah, good size, good size. Let's test the book. Nice.
Send away to the plan.
Yes, baby. Ayan, oh. Look.
Kahit ako, nagulat din ako sa size nitong plantain na to.
Look. Oh my God. Nice one. Oh my God, look. How big the head.
Yeah.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Portland. Yeah, nag-enjoy lang kami. Last night, ano? Oh my God. I know. Very cold last night.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's raining and very cold.
Very cold. Windy.
Ayan po mga bagets. Yeah, baby.
Yeah. That's more. Pagpunta namin dito, kumakanta kami sa band namin eh.
I know that, nadidinig ko nga kayo kahapon eh. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's still 11 o'clock here in Port Melbourne. My friend. Good morning, my
Good
friend.
morning. How are you guys?
Yeah, baby.
Enjoying the day.
Yes. Nandito kami. At buti nakilala ko ito si Romel. At taga War ng Bull.
Yes.
Eh,
It's actually my first time here. good place.
Your first time
It's
here
my
too.
first time. I just went with this guy. He's
yeah.
actually a Nepalese guy.
Yeah, Nepal. He
Yeah,
told
this guy when he came to Warrnambool, he doesn't even know how to fish.
me.
And
Yeah,
then he started going with me, and then he just got hooked into it.
yeah.
And every now and then, every week, he will just ask me, like, do you want to go fishing? And of course, will not say no.
Yeah,
Fishing is a
no.
great hobby.
He want a
And-
company.
Yes, yeah, we're just enjoying each other's company and just like
Yeah, experience.
experience. And
So, you mean to say first time, huh?
yeah,
Oh my God.
here in this place, this is my first time, so I don't really expect of catching a lot. But yeah, it's just
At
a good
least.
place to see.
I know, at least. He got experience now
That
here.
is good. Yeah, yeah. He's actually happy and like really enjoying it. Most of the time he also doesn't catch, but when he get one, he's just like super excited.
See, my friend come
Yeah.
here. I meet now my friend Romel.
Yes, it's really good to be here in the vlog. I'm gonna watch it as well.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
my friend, for just follow this one, my
Yeah,
friend.
I will.
Yeah. Maybe after New Year, maybe I go in Port Campbell. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe because they got a lot of fish there too.
Yeah.
Squid and whatever.
Squid as well.
Yeah, big one there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, guys. Yeah. May you
You
also
see
have great
the handsome
holiday.
man, huh?
he's more.
No, we are good, man. I love you all.
Yeah.
Say hello to the family, my friend.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi to all the families out there. Hope that you are all having a great holiday.
Yes.
And advance Happy New Year 2025.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank
Love
you,
you
Mike.
guys.
Guys, nag-start na po ang fireworks dito sa Portland. Ayan na po. Babe, labas, babe. Kunin mo yung sombrero ko, Andun lang sa gilid. Ayan na guys. Nag-start na po ang fireworks sa Portland. See? Beautiful. Happy New Year! Woohoo! Ang ganda po guys. Wow. Wow! Yes! Meron pa po. That's a New Year in Portland. fireworks. Beautiful.